I think Keeley and Kevin want to have a bath together. I don't think it's big enough for both of them to be in it though. I have a feeling she might sneak into it. Come on, Kev, move over. She's there, like, don't use up all the hot water. I've been spraying him with mist as well. Are you gonna have a go? You gonna have a go? Come on, babe. You tried to have a bathtub in the drinking bowl a minute ago. So I came and got you this, but Kev decided to steal the bath. Or maybe she was just interested in seeing him have a bath. Trying to make sure that he's having one.